Welcome to Guardian Voice. Today, the June 26th, is the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. United Nations Office on Drug and Crime has adopted this year's theme as Better Knowledge for Better Care Against Drug Abuse. Drug abuse in India is on the increase. About 14.6% of our population is in the habit of using some drugs, and men involved is 27.3% and women 1.6%. Drug use and addiction is on the increase. A Kerala survey has shown that 31.8% of the students in our colleges use some kind of drugs. It is also a fact that the youth from backward communities and poor families are more into the drug abuse and trafficking. As the drug abuse and trafficking is on the increase, it is our responsibility to guide the youth not to slip into the dangers of drug abuse and the illicit trafficking. The parents and elders in the society has a big role to contain this growing danger. There is need for constant vigil on the adolescent children and grown-up youth by our parents, elders and community leaders. We must observe for any signs and symptoms in our children and youth, like the inability to sleep, unusual laziness, changes in eating habits, cold and sweaty palms, abnormal hyperactivity, excessive talkativeness, needle marks in hands and legs, staggering walks, poor hygiene, drop in grades in school and colleges in their studies, paranoia or the tendency to attack self or others are important symptoms and indications of drug abuse. Parents, elders and the community shall keep good and gentle personal communication with our children if they show any such symptoms, and if necessary seek medical help. Attempt to admonish as well as to rigorously control such children shall be avoided, as such acts will aggravate the situation. Remember, if parents are vigilant, drug abuse can be prevented. Even habitual drug users can be treated and rehabilitated back to normal life. Let us pledge on this day to be vigilant about our children, to keep them out of drug and illicit trafficking. Thank you.